Hi everyone. Learning English may feel like a big challenge, but don't worry, you're not alone. We all start from the basics, and every small step counts. Just like learning to ride a bike or cook a new recipe, English is a skill you'll build little by little. Think of English as a new tool. You'll start by learning some simple words and phrases. It's like putting together puzzle pieces. In the beginning, it might seem confusing because some pieces don't fit right away. But, with practice, those pieces will start connecting. Let's make English feel close to your life. Choose a few things you like in your day-to-day world, like colors, foods, or even your favorite music. Start by learning how to talk about these in English. You can even think of English as a game where you pick up words, practice their sounds, and try putting them together. Mistakes? They're actually part of the fun. They are just signs that you're learning. Imagine each mistake as a stepping stone that gets you closer to success. Take it one day at a time, and remember, you're not trying to learn everything at once. Just focus on one new word, one phrase each day. Finally, give yourself time and patience. English isn't something you need to rush through. Every time you practice, you're growing your skills. Keep a curious mind, and before you know it, English will start feeling like a friend you've known for a long time.